Rose the Explorer was very busy. She had to work the yard and do Alex's work while he was away being repaired. One day, Yoshi had called Rose for an announcement. I'm going to holiday. Wait, where are you going? Britain's Meanhead. What? I thought you were going in the summer. What? Oh, that just reminds me as well. You're going to have a new engine. What? Where is he? Come here. Hello. Do you know how to shunt trucks? Right, I'll best be off. Oh, here's a new replacement. Here's my new, guy that works 8 to 3. Meet Yoshi Jr. You get used to him. Okay, bye. Bee. Right, so where's the yard? Ugh, this is gonna be fun. How'd I do? How'd you do? How'd you do? You wrecked the yard! Not my fault. Yes, it was. You were the one who smashed the coaches. Now they're broken. Now they're unusable. Now when I have to do the local runs, I have to do Alex's Express. But oh wait, I can't do that because Henry's taking them. God, now I'm going to have to use one coach. One coach? Yeah. Great, and that's not even the brake, and you destroyed the brake coach too. If I was more than a locomotive, I'd slap you across the face right now. I don't have a face. Then how are you talking? I don't know. Maybe we should grow faces. But whatever cares. Shunt those tracks behind me in a proper line without wrecking them. Okay, I'll go as fast as I can. No fastness. You have to approach those tracks slowly. If I catch you biffing them fast, I will biff you in the arse so hard that you won't be able to pull up to some buffers for 2 weeks. Sorry. That'll keep them occupied for a few minutes. Done! What? But I had to do...
Zozie, the trucks are already in line. Look!
Ugh. Rearrange them whatever order you want.
What do I want?
Woo! Now be quick, because James is coming.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Don't call me that!
Sorry, boss.
Ugh. You take forever. Oh, this. Honestly, I'm done.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Really? I didn't notice!
Alright, so what do I do for this job?
Don! What do you think? Is it good? Is it bad? Well, I'd say it's what the heck? What do you do? Why is the brake van in the middle?
Well, it's easier for the guy to see the whole train. I mean, first of all, he can't see the back, so now he can see the front and the back. And secondly, he can actually see the engine who's pulling him. Simple's right. Well, you're making a big hissy fit out of it, so...
So, we need to fix this before James arrives. Crap. Wait a minute, that's not James, that's... George, stop!
That's a mission success.
Mission success for you, but mission failure for me. Now I'm going to get into trouble.
I don't want you to get into trouble.
Well, you shouldn't have done that stupid mistake. Now I'm going to get into trouble. So, thanks. Thanks for nothing.
Stop it time.
wrong mood, so I'm giving you the warning now. No messing about, okay? Right, let's get this stupid job over and done with.
Well, if we can't get revenge on that guy, Rose is the next best thing. It's a win-win for us. She's been bumping us all week. Time for our revenge. On!
Oh, no, you don't, Tricks. My brakes are ready for your tricks. Bring it on! Oh, fuck!
It's a runaway train!
Oh, come on now!
I'll never catch Rose. I might as well get Yoshi. Wait, this is the line we're supposed to go down? This is the... Oh no. Quickly jump out! Ah! Right, I'm done with my duties. Never let me do this again.
So it seems you can't be trusted with tricks. No. It doesn't look... Well, if I can't trust you with trucks, I'm going to have to put you on passenger duties. I'm fine with that. With one coach concerned, the other two are completely useless. Yeah, because that red engine smacked them. Oh. Well, I'll have some words with him, but until then, I'm not going to trust you with trucks.
Don't worry, Rose. Passenger rounds are fun.
Yeah, but now I have to go to the works to get all this water off of me.
Ah, yeah. Fair point. Let me go and hook you up. Well, an accident with water, eh? Not the first time that's happened.
I just want some fun in my life. I'm just done with dealing with a stupid locomotive.
How about we steal Alex's express coach just to tick him off?
Oh, you are on.
Alright then, here goes nothing.
Nah.
I'm not cleaning this up.